Hello everyone, my name is Domink Wagner and today I will talk about posture, about how to sit while playing your bass in a way that's comfortable, that works well for your playing, but that's also healthy. Because we know many people after playing the bass for a few years already get back problems, get a little bit of pain, and then the pain gets even more, and then they might even have to go to the doctor, and that's something we want to avoid. Many people also just feel uncomfortable sitting with the bass. They just immediately, once they start playing, have a feeling of discomfort, and that's what we also want to avoid. To help with that, I have a few principles that you can follow that can help you find a way that works for you. Because I don't think there's the one perfect posture, the perfect angle for the arm, for the bass that fits for everyone. Since everyone has a different body and also different goals. Maybe somebody just wants to play in the orchestra, somebody wants to play solo. Even I sit differently if I play in orchestra or if I play solo. So the concept number one is you need to sit in a way that's comfortable for you first and foremost, before you start thinking about how the bass comes in. So what I always try to say, put the bass away for a moment and just sit down. Sit down and find a way that's comfortable, with the legs not too far apart, not too close together, in a way that's stable, that would allow you at any point in time to just be able to stand up. And after you figure that out, after you've found a way that's comfortable for you, then you put the bass into the picture. And then you fit the bass into whatever works for you. So the biggest question is, where do we touch the bass? Where? On the lower stomach, or some people even on the chest? I think, of course, again, there's no one correct way, because especially people have different lengths of torsos compared to lengths of arms, compared to lengths of legs. For most people though, having the bass somewhere on the stomach works the best. For me, when I want a position that works universally well for solo and for orchestra playing, I kind of want to make sure that the strings end around the same level as the eyes are. It's a little guideline that can definitely help. Because if we get the bass too high up on our chest, then this will become too high, and vibrato in a relaxed way will feel much more uncomfortable. And if it's a bit lower, you can be much more free and relaxed. If it's too low, on the other hand, going to the thumb position will be almost impossible, because the neck will block your shoulder from going up there. So find a place in the middle. In my case, it's definitely somewhere on the stomach, and feel a good contact to the bass. Then we need to also make sure that we are flexible. So when you fit in the bass, under this point, being flexible with the bass is insanely important. So for example, when I play on the highest string, I have the bass in this kind of position. And if I play on the lowest string, I move my left leg a little bit like to this direction, which then makes the bass go like this. And like this, obviously is much more free down here. Then I go to the higher string, this is more comfortable. This, no, a bit more narrow, a bit more unnatural. So being able to have this flexibility with your leg is very important. But then on the other hand, also having flexibility with the contact of your stomach is important. When I play down here, I have the contact right here. But when I go to the thumb position, I lean forward with my whole body, which is a natural thing to do. It's like if I want to grab something that's right here, I don't go like this, I go like this, and the whole body moves forward. So the whole body moves forward. Obviously the contact to the bass shifts a bit, and that needs to also be possible. So now I'm in this position. Now I have the contact here, and now I have the contact even higher. And allowing for this to happen is very important. So number one is sit comfortably. Number two, fit in the bass in a flexible way. Number three is sit in a way that's also healthy for your body.